I just got this Icelandic eye stick. So cute. I really was sold by the packaging and the fact that I love Iceland. I've been to Iceland and the Icelandic waters are amazing. They are healing, but look how cute this little guy is. Definitely didn't see a polar bear there, but I mean, I think they're there. Okay, this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do, I don't have any makeup on, but I do have a clean face. You're going to use it around your eye area in circular motions. So it kind of feels like I'm putting on a chapstick. That's like what the sensation is. And it's just giving me a nice cooling sensation. Okay, can we see the difference already in those eyes? Kind of. Wow. So we'll just do that over here. Go all over my eye area. So it's an eye cream. And then it does have where it retracts or can go up. It smells really, really nice too. So super cute. A little hydrating eye stick. Perfect purse size as well. And now I'm going to go put on my makeup for the rest of the day.